some time. Today I want to show you how I do my dishes. At first, I do it. I'm also fine. Please come on. And if you are watching this vlog, you are watching the tab. If you are not watching, what are you waiting to subscribe? I'll show you what I do is to wash my dishes. First, that's the liquid soap. I do mix it with water, as you can see, and I'll start washing my baby dish first. That's the water. That's the one that we used to eat. That's it. Also, that's the cup. After that, I'll start washing the rest of the stuff. So let's go. Let me show you the sponge that I use. That's the sponge for the baby. And that one is for the cup that I also use to wash because I don't want to mix the sponge. I don't like it. And this one is for the other stuff like the plate and the other stuff that I always use this soap to wash it. So let's go, guys. Please, my English is not that good. I'm just trying to speak English. So yes, let's go. I'll start by washing my baby stuff, and after that I'll start washing the other stuff. So let's go. I'm going to use this. Sorry. That I used to make this food every morning, and that's the pot. So I will use the same sponge to wash it because I don't want to mix the sponge because it's a baby. So that's it. To the main dishes. Yes, this morning we had coffee like breakfast, so I see the stuff here. I want to start washing this. After I wash the plate and the pot, and we are done. So let's go. I'm done with the cups. Now let's go to the plate. I'll start washing them. After that I'll wash the pots. So let's go again. They are not much. I don't have so much to wash today. There's some. It's just for the morning because I think later in the afternoon I have to wash other dishes, but I just want to show you like what I always do in the morning. So let's go and wash the plate. going to wash the pot. That's the last part. And washing pot is kind of tricky because honestly, so let's go and wash the pot and we are done with the washing. I'll start by this little one and yes, I have this sponge for the pot, so it make washing quite easier for me. Yes, I know you guys know that kind of sponge, so that's nothing new. Hello, Cams. We are done with the washing, and now I have to say goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my content. So, see you next.